Generating truly random numbers in Python can be accomplished using a variety of methods. The most common method utilizes the random module, which provides pseudo-random numbers based on algorithm, which is this. However, if you need truly random numbers, e.g., for cryptographic purposes or simulations, you should use the secrets module or gather entropy from external sources. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to generate random numbers in Python, covering both pseudo-random and true random generation. Pseudo-random number generation. The random module in Python provides functions to generate pseudo-random numbers. Here's how to use it. Example code: Python import random, generate a random float between 0 and 1, random float, random printf, random float, generate a random integer between two numbers inclusive, random int 1, 10 printf, random integer, random int, generate a random number from a uniform distribution, random uniform 1, 10 printf, random uniform float, random uniform, generate a random choice from a list, random choice apple, banana, cherry, printf, random choice shuffle, while list randomly ran repeat and ran send tree ran to YouTube ran the ran to them ran to shed you down ran to Zuji from the shed fan ran in the sound free ran down turn ran wow down pin wow for you shown wow the found down wow down family found do feel and found and position you feel ran fire down the you Two. True random number generation. For applications requiring true randomness, the secrets module is preferred as it provides functions for generating cryptographically secure random numbers. Example code: Python import secrets, generate a secure random integer, secure random int, secrets ran below 100, random integer from 0 to 99, printf, secure random integer, secure random int, generate a secure random byte string, secure random bytes, secrets token bytes 1616, random bytes, printf, secure random bytes, generate a secure random URL safe text string, secure random URL, secrets token URL safe 16, random safe text, printf, secure random URL safe string, secure random URL Three. Using external sources for randomness. If you need randomness from an external source, You can use EPIs or libraries that provide a true random numbers. One such service is the random.org APA. Example code using requests library Python import requests def fetch random numbers count response requests get fups wool random.org integers num count min 1 max 100 call 1 base 10 format plain earned new if response status code 200 return response text plan what is bottom lines servers pilot is a z round well around the zone well wherever to be around the z brown well receivers well you be well round the zone you do it's fast and suitable for simulations or games. True random numbers use the secrets module for cryptographic applications where security is critical. External randomness for true randomness. Consider using services like random.org. This tutorial provides a comprehensive overview of generating random numbers in Python. You can choose the method that best fits your needs based on whether you require speed, security, or true randomness.